We trained an AI model to think and speak like Naval Ravikant. If you don't know Naval, he's an angel investor and a modern day philosopher known for his thoughts on wealth, startups, and how to live a good life. He invested early in companies like Uber, Twitter, Airbnb, Notion, and over 100 more. Our goal to fine-tune an AI model so that it can speak and advise like Naval Ravikant. But before we get there, let's break down what fine-tuning actually means. I am Saklan Yusuf and this is Built on Camera, a series where we explore the practical ways of using tech and AI. So what is fine-tuning? Fine-tuning is taking an AI model that already knows a lot of stuff and teaching it a bit more so that it talks or gives responses according to your specific needs. It's kind of like hiring someone smart and then giving them your company's playbook. You are not starting from scratch. You are just giving them your voice, your vibe and way of thinking. This is different from just giving prompts where you are guiding the model every single time. Fine-tuning actually updates the model behind the scenes using your data, which makes it better at doing things you care about automatically. Now let's actually do it. We will be using OpenAI GPT 4o model and Playground interface to fine-tune our model. Let's go. Let's start by going to OpenAI's official website. On the login button, I have three options. One is ChatGPT, another one is API platform, and another one is Sora, right? We are going to use API platform as of now, right? So I'm going to log in and here we go. Here's the interface that you guys can see, right? Over here, you can see three options. We have dashboard, we have docs, we have API reference, right? So I'm going to click on dashboard. Under here on the sidebar, you can see a couple of options, right? Audio, image, assistants. And the last option is fine tune. So this is where we are going to fine tune our model. So the most important thing for this process is data. We need data of Naval Ravikant because that's what we are doing, right? So I have already over 200 set of questions and answers in the style of Naval Ravikant, right? So let's get started. I will click on create here. Okay, now you can see this create a fine tune model, right? And we are going to use which method? Supervised. Right. Base model we are going to use for this thing is GPT 4o mini or 4o. Which one should we use? We should go for 4o. Suffix means what is the name of this fine-tuned model. As of now, we will set it as NavalGPT. So because this GPT is going to talk like Naval Ravikant, right? So the suffix is NavalGPT. Let's move forward. Here we have a seed, right? We can set it as random as well, and you can give a number between like 10, 20, 40, 42. Like it depends on the use case, what you are actually doing here. I'm not going too deep in all the things right now. Alright, so seed is going to be random, and the training data, as I already told you guys, I have the data already. It is the set of 200 questions and answers from Naval Ravikant, right? And I am going to upload them right here. Here you can see I have selected it and it's uploading, right? Here we go. We are done with the data uploading. So the next step will be validating data, and it's totally optional, and we are going to skip and click none here. These things will be auto as well, and simply we are going to click on create. That's it. जब तक ये फाइन ट्यून हो रहा है, हम जरा समझते हैं सीड क्या है और जेसन क्या है। तो सीड नंबर बेसिकली एक रैंडम नंबर होता है जो आप एक मॉडल को देते हो। दूसरी चीज हमने जेसन देखा था, तो हम एग्जैक्टली फाइन ट्यूनिंग में खाली जेसन फॉर्मेट ही क्यों यूज करते हैं? व्हाई आर नॉट वी यूजिंग डॉक, व्हाई आर नॉट वी यूजिंग पीडीएफ? इसके पीछे दो तीन रीजंस है। फर्स्ट रीजन इज इसमें जो डेटा रहता है वो बहुत ही स्ट्रक्चर्ड रहता है। सेकंड रीजन इज इसको कंप्यूटर्स बहुत आराम से पढ़ पाते। थर्ड रीजन इज लैंग्वेज का कोई बैरियर नहीं है, आप किसी भी लैंग्वेज में डेटा डाल सकते। दैट्स इट। तो हमारा मॉडल जो है वो कंप्लीटली फाइन ट्यून हो गया है। तो यहाँ पे ऑप्शन आ रहा है गो टू प्लेग्राउंड, इसमें हम क्लिक करेंगे और हम प्लेग्राउंड में आएंगे। अब यहाँ पे जो मॉडल है हमारा, ये आप देख सकते हो GPT 4o है, ये हमने फाइन ट्यून कर रखा है पहले। नाउ बिफोर प्रॉम्प्टिंग इट, लेट मी टेल यू व्हाई इज फाइन ट्यूनिंग सो इंपॉर्टेंट। ये तो बस एक छोटा सा यूज केस है फॉर एग्जाम्पल पर्पसेस, राइट? लेकिन आप फाइन ट्यूनिंग को बहुत अच्छे से यूज कर सकते हो। लाइक आप अपने आप को क्लोन कर सकते हो, अपने बिजनेस को क्लोन कर सकते हो, आप अपने बिजनेस की सारी इंफॉर्मेशन एक मॉडल में ड्रॉप कर सकते हो और वो फिर अकॉर्डिंगली आंसर्स देगा। सो इट्स अ वेरी यूजफुल टूल। एंड नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द टेस्टिंग पार्ट। एज आई टोल्ड यू, नवल रविकांत माइंडसेट लाइफ पे भी बात करते हैं। लेट्स आस्क द सिंपल क्वेश्चन, व्हाट्स योर माइंडसेट फॉर लाइफ? और हम इसका आंसर देखेंगे अब क्या आएगा। तो जो आप लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे आंसर देख रहे हो वो नॉर्मल GPT 4o का है, ठीक है? तो अगर आप अभी अपने फोन पे भी ये टाइप करोगे और GPT 4o मॉडल सिलेक्ट करोगे, आपको सेम आंसर मिले। जो हमारे राइट साइड पे आंसर, ये है हमारे फाइन ट्यून मॉडल का, और इसका जो आंसर है Escape competition through authenticity. Be yourself and you will have no competition because no one else can be you. And let me tell you, मैंने ये कोट 5 बार 10 बार सुना होगा रावल रविकांत के मुंह से. That's a wrap for episode 1 of Built on Camera. अगर आपको ये वीडियो थोड़ा सा भी इंटरेस्टिंग लगा, इंफॉर्मेटिव लगा, डू शेयर इट विथ योर फ्रेंड्स, like it and comment on it. I'm Saklan Yusuf. Thanks for hanging out. I will see you in the next one.